In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ABS sensor on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Using a right angle pick, remove all the plastic caps. Get behind them, pull straight out. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 5 lug studs. When we remove this last lug stud, the wheel's going to want to fall off. Be sure you have a hand on the tire. Remove the wheel. Remove the connector for the ABS sensor. Push on the locking tab, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Using a 5mm Allen bit, we're going to remove the screw for the ABS sensor. Remove the bolt. Wiggle the sensor back and forth, pull it straight out, and remove the sensor. Install the ABS sensor into the knuckle. Be sure it's fully seated. Get the bolt started by hand. Snug down the bolt. Torque the bolt to 8 Newton meters. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the wheel, get a lug stud started, snug it down to hold the wheel. Get the rest of the lug studs started. Snug them down. Using a 17mm socket, torque the lug studs to 103 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the plastic caps. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.